How couples grow and change, I think, is a question that so many of us are asking. Like, what is the thing that happens in couple therapy that makes that movement? And I think one is the therapist's attunement to what individuals in a couple are asking for. So that we're paying very, very close attention to why they're in the office, what they're asking for, what they're hoping for. We're listening to their stories, we're listening to their grief, their loss. We're listening to their reactivity with a very open mind and a very open heart. And in IFIO, just like IFS, this is a collaborative process. We don't want to decide ourselves as a therapist that we know better than the couple and that we are going to move them in a direction that we think would be productive for them. So I think that's the number one, is to really understand what is the work that we are doing and what is the change that the couple wants. I think the second thing that I would say about what makes the change and the movement is the invitation to the couple that this will be work for them. That they're despite their reactivity, despite their grief, despite their inability to connect and attach, that we're looking for something in their system that is going to motivate them to continue to take risks, try on new things, trust the therapist, begin to trust themselves, that they can make changes inside and out. So I think that's the second thing that I would say. And then just as in IFS, we're working with helping people understand their internal system. And that as the change begins internally, as people learn to love themselves, know themselves, unburden their trauma, their relational trauma, understanding what happened to them in childhood and how it's affecting their adult relationship, these are little invitations for people to take steps toward change and take risks toward changing themselves.